Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are well and safe. So student, as you know, we have completed all the chapters of aptitude. So today we will do the part D, aptitude tests on page number 53. Part D, aptitude tests are given on page number 53. Okay, aptitude tests are starting from the page number 53. Today we will do the aptitude test 1 and aptitude test 2. Okay, so let's start for doing the aptitude tests. See what is given here. Here are the questions, combined question between all the chapters of your textbook. Okay, so you have to do this. See, here is first question. What is given here? Tick the correct options. Okay, see, tick the correct option. First is fan, wings. Here are pair words. Okay, fan with wings. Fan is pair of wings. So wheel is pair of cars. Okay, wheel is pair of car. Okay, so our answer is car. Okay, now here is, see the pattern. Okay, in your second question you need to read the pattern. What is given here? See, 425. Okay, after then 542. Now here is 308 and here is 830. See, what is the pattern? See everyone, look here. What is given here? 4, 2, 5. This is a digit. Okay, what did here? The last digit comes on, it means the digit which is on the ones place came on the 100 place. Okay, and the hundreds place, the digit which is on the 100, it came on the 10 digit place. Okay, place, and 2 became on the ones place. Okay, so what will come here? 542. Now here is 308. So it will convert like this, 830. 8 will reach on 100 place. Okay, and 0 will reach on ones place and 3 will reach on tens place. Okay, so it will convert into 830. Okay, now see, here is the question which we have to solve. 791. So 1 will come on 100 place and 7 will come on 10 place and 9 will come on ones place. So it will come 179. Okay, so our answer is 179. Okay, so tick on 179. This is wrong. Okay, 179 is our correct answer. Okay, now see question number 3. Now here you have to also observe the pattern which is given here. What is given? See, A, here are letter and digit also, A, B, and here is 2 between A and B, 2 number digit. Okay, now here is B and A and digit is 3. It means digit is going in ascending order, 2, 3, and now A, B, now it's reverse, B, A. Now here is L, 7M, so here should be M, 8L. Now here is S, 5T, so digit will come 6, 5 after 6. Now T. So what is our answer? 6 is our digit. T will come in on the first place and S will come here. So T6S. So T6S. See, where is T6S? Here on the B. Option number B is our correct answer. Option number B is our correct answer. T6S. Okay. T6S is our correct answer. Option number B. Now on the fourth question. See on fourth number question. Here you also need to see the pattern which is given here. Now see which is given in this box. We have to continue this pattern. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles are on above and this pattern is here and 1 dot is here. Now see what is given here. Here is reducing. This is a reducing pattern. See, here was in the first box we have a 5 circle on the above side, and in second we have 4, and in third we have 3, and in fourth box we have only 2. So what will come in the fifth box? Only 1. On above side we have only 1. Now the middle object or figure is same, so it will look like this. Okay, now this dot is not reducing, it's increasing. Okay, so in first box we have 1 dot, in second box we have 2 dots, and in third box we have 3 dots, in fourth box we have 4 dots, and in fifth box we will have 5 dots. Okay, so answer will become like this. Okay, so which option is our correct answer? C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is correct, this is correct, and this is correct. So option number A. Option A is our correct answer. Option A is our correct answer. Okay, now see, in the fifth question, here is the mirror image of the world. Okay, when you will see this word in the mirror, it will become like this. WEM. Okay, it will written like this. You can also observe it by using the mirror. Okay, you have to put mirror here on the dotted line. You can stand the mirror here and you can see which image will come. Okay, you can do this question after this activity at your home, which I told you in the mirror image chapter. You can do again this. Okay, now see, the figure which is embedded in is embedded means which can be fixed in this figure. Embedded means which can be fixed in this mirror in this figure. So see, this D1 diagram will fix or embedded in this figure. Where this is, see this portion of this diagram, we have D number. See how can we embedded this here. This option will embedded. Okay, so this is the embedded figure of this whole figure. Okay, now next is, see, cross the odd one out. Now see, cross the odd one out. RP. Here is RP. Here is RP. See, RP means P Q R. Okay, so R will come here and P here. Okay, sorry, it's a P. RP. Q is skipped. Okay, in the first box. Now C A. It means A B C, and B is skipped and C is on the first place, C and A. Okay, this is in our second box. Okay, now what is given in third box? K I. So see, it is correct. We have A B C D E F G H I J K. It means J is skipped and K I is our in the third box. Okay, it means 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Now we will see the fourth box. Okay, now we will see the fourth box. See, what is given in fourth box? X and Z. So we have X, Y, Z. So what should be come here? It will come here Z and then X. But what is given here? XZ. So it is wrong. Okay, so this fourth number box is wrong. Okay, so cross on the XZ. Okay, this is our answer, XZ. It will be ZX, not XZ. Okay, according to 3 option, it should be ZX, not XZ. That is why it's this fourth number box is our correct answer. It is the odd one in this pattern. Okay, now here are given the write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number by using the digit 5, 1, 0 and 9. So what should be the greater digit? 9510. Okay, and in the smallest the smallest digit is 1059. Okay, now see some children. Question number 9. Some children are standing in a row. Akhil is fourth from the left as well as the right. Okay, how many children are there in a row? So it will be 7. Okay, how? See, some children are standing in a row. Akhil is fourth from the left. Now 4 from the left as well as the right. It means the position of Akhil is fourth from the both side, right and left. See, this is Akhil. Okay, and what is the position of Akhil from the right side? Fourth. So it means 1, 2 and 3 students are in the right of Akhil, and also on the left 3 students are also in the left of the Akhil. This is Akhil. Okay, so how many students are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our 7 correct answer. This is Akhil. Okay, so now next is multiply. Now what we have to do? Multiply directly. So what you have to do? You have to read the table of 14. Seven times. Okay, you have to read 14 table. 14 7 ja 98. We have 14 7 ja. We will do this directly. So 14 7 ja 98, and this 20 will come here. So 9800. Okay, now see here, again do the direct. So what you have to do? You have to read 5 and 4 table. 5 into 4. 5 4 ja 20. Okay, now how many 0 we have? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Put here 3 zeros. So it will come 20,000. Okay, it means 50 into 400 is equal to 20,000, and 80 and 14 into 700 is equal to 9800. Okay, so our first aptitude test is completed. Now see aptitude test 2. It is also like as our aptitude test 1. Okay, I am going to explain you. This was your revision. As a revision, first aptitude test was as a revision. Now aptitude test 2 you have to do in your homework. Some questions between this I am going to explain you as a revision. See, this fourth one. Okay, you can do this pair word. Okay, and you can also do this the pattern, follow the pattern. Okay, and you can also do this follow the pattern. Now here is also the follow the pattern. Okay, what will come next? So see what is given in this fourth one. See, here is this pattern, cross, you have cross, and circle in right side, and plus circle in left side and plus in right side. And what happened? Now it's changed, the circle and plus changed its place, changed their place. Circle is on upside and in the bottom here is plus. Okay, now see, it's on the third place. See, now circle is in right side and plus is in left side. Now again see here, circle on the second box you have a circle on the top side, but on the fourth it reverse. Okay, it reverse, circle is in bottom and plus sign is on top. So now next what will come here next? See, according to it, see, after this what we have to do? We have to do again this pattern here, it will come again here. Okay, so our option number, it will comes again. Okay, so see, because it is a reverse of this reverse is this. Okay, and its reverse is this, so it will come here. So what is our, what should be the our correct option? Option number D. Okay, this is our correct answer. Okay, now see here, the word which, now see the question number 7, the word which cannot be made from the letter of the word partner. Okay, here is partner is, so it's a nectar. How, why nectar will come? See the spelling, NECTAR, but C is not given in partner. We don't have C letter in partner, and here is C, so it will this nectar word cannot be made from the letters of the word partner. Okay, so this is our correct answer, option number D. Okay, and see this question number 9, what is given here? Question number 9, you have completed question number 4, 7. Okay, now we are doing question number 9. 5 years ago Manish was 5 years old. 5 years ago Manish was 5. Okay, and his father is 25 years older than him. What is his father's present age? So firstly we need to find out the present age of Manish. So Manish was 5 years 5 years ago Manish was 5 years. It means now after 5 years it became 10 years old. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, and it means Manish's present age is 10 years and his father is 25 years older. It means 10 plus 25. His father age is 10 plus 25 of Manish. Okay, so it's became the present age of Manish is 10 and his father is 25 years older than Manish. So 10 plus 25, it means his father age is 35 years. Okay, so this is our answer, 35 years. Okay, now which question you have to complete in your homework? Question 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 10, which you have already completed in aptitude test number 1. Okay, you have to do these question with yourself. Okay, and after then you have to check these the answer from the image which I will send you. Okay everyone, now everyone take care, goodbye. In our next lecture we will do the aptitude test 3. Okay, so everyone take care beta, goodbye.